Oh, yes. All right. So that's it for that portion. But let's get into some football here. NFL predictions. Um, what's going to happen here is the Los Angeles Rams are going to defeat the Arizona Cardinals on Monday and then just tear through the rest of the NFL, go to a Super Bowl, which will be played at SoFi Stadium. So it'll be the second time the home team has a home field advantage in the Super Bowl. They win convincingly, but in a fourth quarter comeback, and it will just be a great game. It'll be a game for the history books. It'll be played on ESPN Classics all the time. Matt Stafford, after spending a 12 years in Detroit with nothing to show for it, will finally hoist the trophy, and he will thank everyone, and he will even thank Lions fans for supporting him. And there will be huge vindication about how great Matt Stafford was and how wasted his talent was in Detroit. That's kind of what I hope, because I'm still a Matt Stafford fan.